Hello beautiful ladies, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to create with you the fastest lip tutorial ever. So if you are interested in the fastest tutorial ever, keep on watching. Okay, so let's get started. But
First, let me finish my green tea.
and let's get started. Okay, so all you are going to need that a lip liner and a clear lipstick. Okay guys, so we are going to line the lips like we usually do. Okay, so here is I lined my lips. If you want to overline your lips, that's okay, that's totally fine. Do whatever you feel you want to do. Then I'm going to apply my clear lip gloss. And you are going to blend with your finger, so you won't be having a harsh lines. Okay, so I feel like I need to fill in my lips here. Okay, and a little bit here. And this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it today's video and liked the result. And I promise you, this is the fastest video ever for lipstick you are going to find. So if you like it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments what do you think. See you in the next video. Bye.